Welcome to English Listening Practice. Chapter 2. The Arrival. Listen and repeat. The train stopped. The train stopped. The doors opened. The doors opened. People began leaving the train. People began leaving the train. Emma walked onto the platform. Emma walked onto the platform. The station was busy. The station was busy. Many people were talking. Many people were talking. Some were running to catch trains. Some were running to catch trains. Others were waiting for friends. Others were waiting for friends. Emma stood still for a moment. Emma stood still for a moment. Everything felt fast. Everything felt fast. Much faster than her small town. Much faster than her small town. She looked around. She looked around. Large signs showed directions. Large signs showed directions. Exit. Exit. Taxi. Taxi. Bus station. Bus station. Emma followed the signs to the exit. Emma followed the signs to the exit. Outside the station, the city felt even bigger. Outside the station, the city felt even bigger. Cars moved quickly. Cars moved quickly. Buses stopped and started. Buses stopped and started. People walked in every direction. People walked in every direction. Emma opened the map on her phone. Emma opened the map on her phone. Her new apartment was not far. Her new apartment was not far. Only a 15-minute walk. Only a 15-minute walk. She started walking. She started walking. Her bag felt heavy. Her bag felt heavy. But her heart felt hopeful. But her heart felt hopeful. This was the start of her new life. This was the start of her new life. Great job listening today. See you in the next chapter.